guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So we are back with another Funko Pop unboxing. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed down below if you like Funko Pop unboxings. Turn on post notifications so you're always notified whenever I upload, which is Saturdays and Sundays at 9 a.m. Central Time. Okay, so let's get into the video. So today we are unboxing the Hello Kitty Pride Funko Pop and the Sorcerer Mickey Funko Pop. I'm so excited for this one. I'm actually excited for both of them, honestly. Okay, so we're going to do the Hello Kitty one first. Okay, so it says on the back, our Funko Pride Pop collection is a celebration of inclusivity, I cannot speak, and acceptance. Funko fully supports the LGBTQ plus community and rejects intolerance and discrimination. At Funko, fun is for everyone. A donation has been made to the It Gets Better project, and organization that uplifts and connects LGBTQ plus youth around the globe in coordination with this program. Okay, that was a lot of words. So this is number 28. Wow, I am not coordinated. I'm sorry, Hello Kitty. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, I'm so not normal. And this is number 28. That's one thing I didn't say before I dropped her. Okay. This looks, I swear to God, this looks like a gummy bear explosion or something. Like, this reminds me of a gummy bear. It totally reminds me of, like, a gummy bear type. Oh, and it is like that see-through type material. Like a gummy bear. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's Gummy Kitty. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, random fact. Did you guys know that Hello Kitty is not a cat? She is actually a little girl with cat ears. Ruined your childhood, you guys. She is a Japanese little girl. This is really cute though. I will admit to that. I think I have like 6 Funko Pops that I have yet to unbox. I literally have been too lazy. Okay, so the next one is Sorcerer Mickey from Fantasia. Of course, Sorcerer Mickey. This is $7.99. Part of the 50 Walt Disney Archives, presenting the magic from 1970 to 2020. God. This is legit. I'm sorry. I haven't even opened this up and I kind of love it. Like, okay. So this is actually meant for like out of the box because look at this stand. This is like really legit. It says Walt Disney Archives, preserving the magic. Preserve the magic. Taste the rainbow. Wait a minute, that would be for that one. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry I just dropped you, Mickey. This is like high quality stuff though. This is really high quality Funko Pop material here. Look at this. His sorcerer hat. He's got a pencil. Oh my gosh. I have not seen Fantasia in forever. Such a good movie. Such a good movie. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so cute. And he can stand up on the thing. if I can get his foot in there. There we go. Like that. This is the fill out thing. Oh my gosh, this looks way more professional. I'm Mickey. Yeah, I love this stand. It looks so cool. So, let me know down below which one you guys like better. Mickey or Hello Kitty. I think I like Mickey better. Just because I'm a Disney freak and you gotta love the classics. Hello Kitty. It's got a nice vibe to it. I like the gummy bear effect too. And let me know what you guys think down below. And stay flawless, uniqueens.